Hey everybody, it's Bill Confidence. What I'm going to show you today, a center console. It's basically the lid latch. It comes in 3 different colors: black, beige, or gray. What we have here is a replacement kit, which is a complete DIY. If you were to go ahead and purchase one of these, you're going to see that it comes with the springs. You're even getting the latch to open up. Everything is completely brand new. You can see this is a very, very heavy duty item, super strong. But this one over here is basically a complete DIY. What that is you're gonna use your old screws, you're gonna use your old latch, you're gonna undo it. And the reason for that is because what happens is you put your arm on this thing and then it just cracks. But you want to have the exact match because you have this like burgundy interior, or none of these colors suffice for you for some reason. And then you basically take this off and then you put your own upholstery inside there, and then you just screw it back on, take your old latch, put it back inside, and then you got yourself a brand new one. This one is sold completely separate. Every single one of these are sold separately. We have them in different colors, so feel free to choose which one you want. These will fit GM vehicles like Chevy Trailblazer, the GMC Envoy, the Ascender, the Rainer. Generally, the year is 02 to 09. We recommend highly that you check out those Fitment guide charts that we post across different marketplaces. Or if you have any other questions, you can feel free to visit us at our website at www.oxgord.com.